Hey guys, Corey here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to supercharge your car's oxygen sensor. It's a really simple trick. Like me, all of my information is simple, easy, and straight to the point. Okay, let's get straight to it. As you can see, here, this is your O2 sensor on your car. This trick is really simple and easy. As you can see, it's just a little piece of foil. I've got it's a regular wrap. Piece of foil like you would use in your kitchen. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to do this really hard with one hand, but I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to break off about a piece 2 by 3 inches long, okay, just about like so, and you're going to fold it down just a little bit, enough to cover your little small piece of your oxygen sensor. And what this is going to do, guys, okay, is this is going to, sorry, I moved my finger here. This is going to tell your computer to run, that the oxygen sensor is running a little bit warmer than normal. And this is going to adjust the air to fuel ratio so your car is a lot more efficient. And you'll also gain about 10% in horsepower. Okay guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click and subscribe. See you on the next one.